Hi guys, today we're going to be playing Roblox on this chicken game. I'm not sure what it's called. So let's start by, I am pretty good, but if you wouldn't, I could do a different game. So it looks like I will be able to do a different game. Any of these that you like? I've seen loads of YouTubers play Kickball to Space. Not sure if I've played this, but I'll check. And if we have, I've played loads of games yeah, I've already played this. So, what about if I do a game that I've never played before, or I could go on steal a brain rot on a alt account. That means, well, do you want to see my alt account? It has loads of really rare things. It's I think it's yeah, I think it's and then I use my face. Then I'm just in, and this is Roblox Kids, by the way. I hope that's not a problem. So, on steal a brain rot. See. So right now I'll have to do this really good strat. So you go on this, go like 4 down or 5, then you click on a noob, then it loads you in straight away, and then it makes it so. Oh no, I'm not a new player though. Where's my base? So this is my base. I have loads of really rare things. So I have this Yin Yang, this is ages ago, and the Jackarilla from all the way from last thing, and I had the Quesadilla Crocodile, and I had the Volturino Skeleton. And I do not want to be in there because these people really like to just throw you around and all that, and I really don't like that. So let's play Steal now, because I have played this, but it's even fun when you can just ride Wait, I am playing it on this account. Right, guys, so that will be really good. Alright, so if you think, wow, People of Dragons. I have that on my other account. I really like it. Let's get this really big egg. That's my brother. Come in! I got this really big egg for my start. Now, I think we should keep on just grinding. Oh my, that's big. Alright, let's see what it is. I got a giant gold Berber Patapin. 15,000, that's my first thing. That's really good, guys. And like I showed you earlier, I have the Yin Yang. I have, wait, what's it again? I had the Yin Yang Jackarilla, and I had the Volturino Skeletono, and I had the Quesadilla Crocodile. So I'll be back at that at the end of the video. Oh, the upgrade. I forgot. Wait, did it upgrade?
Tripa, tropa, tralala, lirilira, tung tung, sahur, boneca, tung tung, tralalelo, tripi, trop.
And then I really think I should upgrade my trail. Let's go do that. Then I'll gain more speed. Let's start with that, and that, and that. And I don't have enough for that. So let's go train more, because then I'll be able to get more speed, then I can get better things. I don't like most of these shots, so this brain rot. like the physics ones. Like this AI stuff, I don't like it at all. And I also love these pet videos.
Scorpio.
I know this is AI. But it could be real, I don't know.
Aquarius.
Like so I sometimes collect some action
Sagittarius.
figures, and I think these would be really cool to like pose them near them. And I also really like Plants vs Zombies. I've also been making videos on Plants vs Zombies and trying to complete it, and I'm nearly halfway now. Right, I think we should stop training now and wait for the next day. Let's go. About to get the best things. 900, I've got that. 10,000, I've just got that. Wait, I want to get something bigger. Oh. What's that? So I'm going to get a small thing because that's way too fast. And I'm pretty sure it makes me slow. Ow. Yes, going to the next area. It's a dinosaur. I want to kill him. I'll kill him. Oh. No, he's chasing me. Alright, let's put it next to my gold Berber pack spin. That took 2 seconds, so I think this will be better. Or not, because this is legendary. And I can't believe how I got this first try in this area. Like, I only just started, and literally, I was not expecting that at all. Like, all this is just AI. And I like, sometimes I like the AI where it helps people. But on this one, why is the chicken breaking the door? It's making dents. Why?
Because you wanted to get to the other side.
Shut up. We've got these balloons here.
I'll do it in a minute.
What?
I'll join in a minute.
Guys, like and subscribe if my brother should join into this video.
Yeah, but how are they going to like and subscribe if it's not alive?
Oh guys, let's see. Let's see how good I got. Oh guys, I got a fox. Oh, that's not really good. It only does 40 every second. 15,000. Oh no. Like this, it's literally just so annoying. Look. And look at it. This is an AI cat mukbang. Guys, what's the chicken doing in the back? Literally holding an egg. Don't you dare. Get off my Nutella now. Oh yeah, you can have that one. I like watching these. They're really cute. But these though, I hate them. Every time the Habibi just get him, and he just sends him flying. I always just get jump scared so much. Like I said earlier, I like the AI ones where it's like kindness though.
You can tell when it's AI.
Yeah, everyone can tell when it's AI. Because there won't be a shark doing that.
My mum always says to me, oh, look at this parrot talking. And then you can just tell by the voice how it's so AI.
Yeah, and then it literally starts flying, then eats its own wings, and it just goes, oh.
It goes 67, 67. The parrot goes 67, 67. Lives.
Yeah.
Could do that, Dennis. I was happy in the...
And I also like the slime videos because they're so sci-fi and the ASMR.
Look at that. It's a chimpanzini bananini. I can't believe it. They're real.
I can't believe there's a Bubba Pattern talking. If you look behind me though. Oh, let's see what's here now. Let's see. Oh, there's a giant scorpion egg. That's pretty big. Let's get it. Oh,
Oh my god, that's kind of cool. What the hell?
Get off.
What?
Give me.
Yeah. Go.
Let's go.
Oh, you've got that in the bag.
Yes. I'm not sure how good this will be, but I hope it's good. I am close to my area.
Okay. What? You are in your area?
It's taking 10 minutes. That must be pretty good then. Bubba Pattern, stop following me. Nah.
How much did you go for?
What, 15,000?
No, how much did it take to hatch?
2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Yeah.
Tripa, tropa, tralala, lirilira, tung, sahur boneca, tung, tralalelo, tripi, tropa, crocodina, chimpanzini, cappuccino,
What happened to ballerina
bom,
cappuccino?
benie,
I know, like,
assassino.
it's scary.
Wow, this shouldn't have happened. All of the most popular brain rot creatures into one big amalgamation. Questa cosa non dovrebbe esistere. È troppo difficile da...
No, I don't want to do this anymore. Alright, guys, should we play a different game? Cause, or we could let my brother join. Alright, or me and my brother could play some Rivals.
No.
Why?
I'm trash at Rivals.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I've only got a 9.
Wait, this used to be our favourite game. I want to see how good it is now. I had a private server, I think.
I can play it because my iPad's dead. So I'm trying.
Yeah, that's me.
So I'm going to play something else.
This is Arrest Brain Rot. This used to be my favourite game. I have quite a bit of good things, I think. Let's see.
Like, you don't have any good things. It's a new account.
Oh, yeah, it's a new account.
So, basically,
Brr, patapim.
have a diarrhea support.
La polizia, no.
I've got a Burbo Patapim. Let's collect some money. What's new year? Soon I will have to go because my friend's waiting for me up at the pool. So we've got to make this quick. I know some people don't want to see this, but I'm just thinking because like Berry Box gets loads, or I could like fix my avatar a bit because I don't like being a girl. Let's just see, customize. Oh, I have loads of things. Wait, how do I change my face? I don't want to be a girl. Not the pizza. I'm going to be the boy. Is this good, guys? Then if I add the glasses, and then I add the chain, and Avatar's body. Yes, that's it. This is perfect, guys. Alright, now let's go back. This is my new account, guys. I mean, the skin. There's one game that I've played before. It's like, no, not Piggy, but Into one thing I really liked was like, so if you guys didn't know, I'm really in love with cats, and I found a game like a couple of weeks ago that's just searching cats. It was +1 keyboard escape, but 1+ kitten escape. It's really cute. I hope there's a ginger cat because my cat at home is Ginger. Where's it flying? Oh my god, I didn't know cats could fly. I believe I can fly. So satisfying. Just look at his cute face. Ahoy? What does that mean? No, what is this? This ain't ballerina cappuccino. Alright, let's just gamer. Oh, that's 2 times. Let's gamer wins. Then we can go on this. This will give me even more speed. Alright, I've only got about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna see how good I can get in 5 minutes. So let's set a timer. No, I don't need to go on that. While I'm looking for timer, please can you hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, that's just searching clock, I think it is. Clock, yeah. And also guys, I hit 39 exactly. I don't know how I'm supposed to do it again. Oh my god, bro. No. You guys are lucky. You're going to get extra time. No. Yes, guys, I got 49 exactly. Right, now timer, 5 minutes. Alright, let's keep on playing. It might have kicked me off. Alright, what about instead we do a little bit of Duolingo? Because I'm pretty good. And I don't have enough energy, so...
Yo vivo con mi pareja.
Live. Con. Is with. So I live with my
Pareja.
Partner. Yo vivo con mi pareja.
Creo que mi tía es tímida también.
Creo que mi tía es tímida también. And that is to say,
Creo.
I think that. Oh wait, I think that my
Tía.
aunt
Es
is
tímida
shy
también.
too. Or you
Yo
could say it as
vivo
well.
con mi gato en mi apartamento.
I live with my gato, which is cat. This is what I'm typing in, and this is what I have to understand. And then in my apartment.
Creo que ella es tímida.
This is saying, I think
Que
that. I
ella
think that she's
es
Tímida.
Shy. Priya que ella es tímida. Yes, I live alone.
Sí.
Yo vivo solo.
Solo.
3, guys,
Yo
is
vivo con
really
mi
good.
gato.
Let's hear what this is.
Yo vivo con mi gato.
So it is yo
Yo
vivo
Yo vivo con mi gato.
con
Mi
mi gato.
gato.
Alright, after this,
Yo vivo con mi tío.
when my timer ends, I'll have to end the video. I hope it gets loads of views overnight or during the day. So let's keep on doing this
Yo
until
vivo
it,
con mi tío.
until it runs out.
Yo vivo. Yo vivo
I need it
con
slow.
mi tío.
Yo vivo con. Was it? No. It was mi tío. I live alone. So I is tu vivo solo. It's just vivo solo. I do not live alone.
Yo.
Yo
So today we're looking for a brain rot like that, but
Una.
we can only trade what comes from this new beanie right here. This challenge
I
is not going to be easy,
do.
but if you want to see how we do it, drop a like right now and subscribe and stick around to the
Just
end.
no.
No.
Actually going to be
I
insane.
do
We're gonna have to
not.
do things like my Discord, the trade plaza, everything necessary to try and find and trade for these
Live.
one-on-one brain rots. And to give myself the best
Not
chance at reaching
live.
this one-on-one brain rot,
Vivo.
let's take an
So.
OG Dumbo Nation
Yes.
like this Skibbity Toilets
Guys,
to trade for
like and subscribe if I'm good at Spanish.
OG Trading Plaza servers. So I'm gonna
Sí.
go all the way to the top.
Yo
Yo
People don't focus on
vivo
it. I wanna get trades for this item. I
with
need trades for
earlier we found out that's
go.
con.
And now, let's
Then
see if we
it's
can find any
mi
trades.
Mi
familia.
familia.
Let's just join Pro. Do we need a
Boom.
second OG? Wait, what?
I live alone here.
Oh my gosh.
If you guys didn't know, it's
So I guess
yo
we'll take both these OGs.
vivo
Join the OG trading
solo.
Now, I guess the only thing left
And
to
I'm
do
not
is
sure.
right on our side, new
Let's-
genie
Aquí.
to one
Aquí.
on one brain rot. Please
Uh,
help out.
aquí.
or maybe that will go through. Hopefully.
I live
There it is.
alone,
Okay,
and
we
you?
have our message. I'm just gonna stand
Yo.
here and see what happens. I'm not gonna lie though, this challenge is going to be so hard, bro. We have to find people with one-on-one
Yo
brain rots
vivo
and then somehow be
solo.
lucky enough Oh my gosh, now he's trolling. He's so trolling. There's no way.